Hello everybody, Namaste. My name is Sujan Dahal and I am from Nepal. Today I am here to show you why x to the power 0 is equals to 1. I am pretty sure that you will get amazed at the end of the video. So come with me to the end of the video. Let's go with it now.
So hello friends, now we are going to do why x to the power 0 is equals to 1. So now let's begin. Let us take an example. 2 to power 0 is equals to, let's give it as. Okay, now we are going to write 2 to power 1 is equals to what? We know that 2 to power 1 is equals to 2, and 2 to power 2 is equals to 4. We know this, right? Yes. Then 2 power cube is equals to 8. We know this too. Then again 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is equals to 16. So again 2 power 5 is equals to 32. Now just we see here, what do we find? We find that 16 divided by 16 we get 2. 16 divided by 2 we get 8. 8 divided by 2 we get 4. 4 divided by 2 we get 2. Up to here we found that the sequence goes on dividing by 2, dividing by 2, dividing by 2. So we have no reason that the sequence goes wrong from here. So again when we divide 2 by 2 we get the value 1. So that is why 2 power 0 is equals to 1. Not only 2 power 0, any variable or any constant to the power 0 is equals to 1. What if the sequence goes on like this? Again, if the sequence goes on like this, we find that 2 power minus 1 is equals to 1 by 2. 2 power minus 2 is equals to 1 by 4. See, just the difference, divided by 2, divided by 2. So that is the reason why 2 power 0, why 2 to the power 0 is equals to 1. Hope you get it. Happy ending. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you. My name is Sujan Dahal and I am from Nepal.